computer name on a Mac, whether it's an iMac or MacBook, MacBook Pro, whichever. So why do we need to change the name? Because sometimes we share on Bluetooth, airdrop, or even on a Wi-Fi network or somewhere, our computer name is visible. So to change that name, we need to go into system settings. So there are two ways to go to system setting. You can do a command plus space and search for system preferences. That is the one way. Or the second way is just click on this Apple icon. Here you have this second menu called system preferences. You click on that. And in this you search for sharing. So sharing normally is available here. But if you don't find it, you can just go here and search for sharing and it will be highlighted. Just click on it. Okay, and this is your computer name, which is visible on Bluetooth or airdrop or other networks. And this is the name by which it can be found on your network, local subnet network. So for example, my computer name is Karma's MacBook Pro, and on local network it's found as karmas-macbook-pro.local. So if I want to change this name, let's say I want to change this name to only, okay, let's say only Karma. And when I press enter, you can see that now my computer would be visible as Karma on Bluetooth and airdrop, and it would be visible as karma.local on our local network. You can see that. Okay, so that's it. This is how you change your computer name. Whatever name you keep here would be visible to other people on your network. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.